Hi there, my name is Gary Arnold. I wanted to share some quick tips around computers that all of us struggle with. This has been one of our most visited blogs and referenced topics on Executech.com, how to improve your PC performance or computer in general. These are tips that apply to any sort of computer that you're using. We have all struggled with slow PCs from time to time. Here are 10 ways that you could help boost that. One of the first things you'll want to do if you're noticing that your computer is slowing down is to review your apps or programs and delete ones that you have not used in a while. Now, don't get too overzealous in what you're deleting. You need to be careful, but if it's a program that you know you're not going to use and know isn't essential to your computer, go ahead and delete it. It will probably help a little bit. Another small thing that you can do is to limit the programs that start up automatically when your computer boots up. A lot of programs like to grab and just boot themselves up right when your computer turns on. Things like Zoom or Teams or even Spotify can come up automatically. Turn those off by default. It'll save you some speed. Another big one that we are all guilty of is having old files on your computer. Check your recycling bin and empty it. Go through your old files and delete the stuff that you don't need. And of course, check your downloads. A little bit more of a heavy lift or a drastic measure on a slow computer is simply just upgrading your RAM. If things are really slow, if you have 4 gigabyte of RAM, you probably don't have enough for modern, even just basic computing. So you'll want to look at maybe just upgrading it. Another hardware-based upgrade that you could make to help improve the speed of your computer is to get a solid-state drive. Solid-state drives are radically faster and could mean a huge difference on how fast your PC runs. Another thing that you could try in improving your PC performance is to run a cleaner tool. There's a lot of built-in tools. There's also some ones that you can download that will go through your disk, go through your hard drives, and clean it up and reformat it. A surprising one is that your overall computer can slow down when you open up your browser and you have a backlog of cookies and files from your browsing history. Every site you go to is adding on a little bit layer at a time of extra files in the form of cookies and other data. Purge that, clean it out, and you'll be surprised at how much smoother things will run. A big one that you want to be very careful of course, is checking for viruses. Nothing slows a computer down like having an actual virus. Make sure your antivirus software is up to date. Make sure your software in general is up to date, and make sure that you're regularly scanning for any malicious or odd software on your computer. And then the final point, our number 10 on how to improve your computer's performance, is the tried and true Tech 101 technique. Have you tried turning it off and turning it back on again? As silly as it sounds, restarting your computer really can fix a lot of basic problems, including speed problems that you may be running into. That's it. Those are our 10 tips for improving your PC or computer performance. Hopefully that's been helpful. Be sure to check back at the Executech.com blog for more insights like this.